Welcome back to my channel, people. Brownbossjatours. Yes, welcome. Now, today we'll be going on a little short journey, going up Bogue Hill here in Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica. Alright, I must admit that it has been a while now since I've been to this side. Alright, but yeah, I usually pass this area every single day when I was younger. Alright, so yeah, people, let's get this show on the road. So we'll be turning off now towards the left, going up to Bogue Hill. It's been a while, so I wanted to ask, for directions, but I just said to myself, just follow the road. And that's what we did. Yes, you can see the sign there, welcome to Bogue. So we have some really huge houses erected there on the hillside. Really massive houses. You're going to see a few of them. We took our little time, going up the hill. But we reached a point where we said that we couldn't go any further because we're unsure of the way. It's been a long time since we've been up that side, so I will come back here when I get like a guide, so we can go through the area properly. But this is just a short tour of the Bogue Hill section. Very fruitful area, a whole lot of trees, coconut trees, palm trees, yes, and some massive houses along the hillside. Yeah, these people are really brave living on the hillside like this. But the rich and famous, yeah. Alright, so yeah, we were just going along, but the hill was getting steeper and steeper. As you can see, there are some massive houses along the side. Yes, people, they always say that Moby has a lot of rich people, but really and truly, it definitely is a true fact. Alright, so this is as far as we go. I'm going to take my time and go down back the hill. Come along with me now, people, while we go down the hills of Bogue Hill here in Montego Bay. Alright, so as you can see, the scene or the view from over the hills, it's very stunning, breathtaking views that you can actually capture here up in the hills. From this section as well too, you can see like the Bogue treatment plant, the part that was dumped up, believe it or not, in the past, whole of this section or bowl or whatever it was actually a dump up. Didn't have any roads or anything, it was just water. So they dump up the area, to have it like this. Alright, but if you look on over the hills, you can actually see small keys here in Montego Bay. Alright, over beside the Bogue sewage plant or treatment plant. Alright, so this area is a really awesome area to live at, clean roads, lush green trees, and it's just cool up here in the hills. Even though it's very hot right now, Jamaica right now is boiling. Each and every day you go out there, the sun is down on your skin, literally on your skin. All right, so yeah, it's always good to live up in the hills so that you can, catch some of the cool breeze, being caught by the trees. So it's really good. So yes, people, we will definitely go around this area. There is another section where you can see the stunning view of the keys even better. All right. So yes, people, we are going back onto Bogue Main Road. All right. So this is a very busy main road here on the highway. Takes you to a lot of areas. If you go towards your left, you can take it to the grill. You can go up Long Hill, go to Sav. Yeah, man, a whole lot of places you can go. Alright, but we're gonna take the right now as we're gonna go back in Montego Bay. Alright, peeps. So, thank you for watching. Support the channel, brownbossjatours. Like, share, subscribe, tell somebody about it. Alright. So brownbossjatours signing out. Peace.